Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled AI Ethics and Societal Impact. Responsible AI Development. Imagine you're building a robot chef. Would you want it to only make food for rich people? AI ethics is about making sure our AI creations are fair, unbiased, and helpful to everyone, not just a select few. As developers, we need to think about the impact our code will have on the world. Think of your robot chef again. If you only feed it recipes from fancy French restaurants, it might only know how to make fancy French food and ignore other cuisines. Similarly, AI learns from data, and if that data is biased, e.g., mostly showing one type of person, the AI will be biased too. As developers, we must carefully select and clean our data to avoid this. A fair robot chef would make delicious food for everyone, regardless of their background. In AI, fairness means ensuring our systems treat everyone equally. This involves careful design and testing to catch and correct any unfair biases. Our robot chef shouldn't share your favorite recipes with everyone. Similarly, AI systems often handle sensitive information. As developers, we need to build strong security measures to protect user privacy and prevent data breaches. Imagine if your robot chef just magically made food, you'd have no idea how. Explainable AI aims to make the decision-making process of an AI transparent. It's crucial for building trust and accountability. If the robot chef makes a mistake, who's responsible? Similarly, with AI, we need to establish clear lines of accountability for both the developers and the users of the system. Who is responsible when things go wrong? Building ethical AI isn't just a trend, it's a necessity. As developers, we are shaping the future, and responsible AI development ensures that future is beneficial for all. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.